Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom user account to Lenovo Legion Go. To do this, we'll need to click on the Start, move to the Settings, enter Account. Here scroll down and go for Other Users. You can add account right here. Now you can enter their Microsoft account credentials, but if you don't want anything to do with Microsoft, you can click on I don't have this person sign in information. Then add user without Microsoft account, and here you'll be able to enter their name, enter the password, but it's optional. If you don't want any password on that account, leave these lines empty and click on the next. And here we just created our account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.